Hey everybody, Luna here, or Lunea. So, I did a vloggy type thing my last video and had discussed trying to come back basically to YouTube more consistently. And I got a really crappy email from someone who was a friend for many years from YouTube, but another creator, and it ranted on and on, and so I wanted to address that on a video, not in the email. So it's kind of a Q&A thing, I guess. The first thing they said was that I was too authentic and too genuine, and that I overshared too much of my personal life. And I guess my answer to that is tough shit. Not to be a bitch, but my channel, my content, my choice. Um, I share because I consider everybody who does watch me or subscribe to me to be a friend. And if you're not, don't watch. Um, you have that choice, scroll past. You don't have to look. And I am genuine and I am authentic. And when I was doing content constantly, it was genuine and it was to help people understand, how to do things. Not that my way is the only way, but that it was a way you could do things. Change it up as you like. Take what fits, throw away what doesn't. Sorry about the camera bounce. I'm bouncing my leg because I'm a little pissed off. I'm not going to lie. Anyway, yes, I am. I am authentic. I am genuine. And I don't put on a show for people. I am who the hell I am. Take it or leave it. The next thing they said was, "Oh yeah, okay, same thing. I share too much. Um, I do what I do my way, and I try to say that that's the witchy way. That's not ever, 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 ever what I said. What I said was that I do things this way, and what you feel resonates, use it. If you don't have that herb, use rosemary. If you don't have rosemary, use basil. If you don't have a black candle, use a white one. If you don't have a green candle, use a yellow one. I don't care. I never tried to say or tried to, I never wanted, I never perceived myself as being correct and it had to be my way or no way at all. I never, ever. And I think, I mean, I haven't gone back and watched a bunch of videos, but I do believe that I made that fairly clear. I at least tried to. If I never did, I apologize. Um, my way is not the way. There is no the way. You do you, and I promise you'll feel happy and it will work. I know that that light is extremely bright. I don't want to be sitting in the dark, however. Anyway, um, oh, I never share ritual, actual ritual, casting, the whole ceremonial type. And I'll tell you why I don't, because it's personal. It's mine. I own it and I don't need to share it. I believe I shared a Samhain video once where I did the entire ritual on camera. And I cannot find it now, so obviously it was removed. I don't do that because it's private, it's personal, and I think that ritual should be private. I think a ceremony should be private, and I don't want you to copy what I do. I want you to do what you need to do to make that ritual sacred in your eyes. And something that is sacred is not shared. I'm sorry, but all the sacred secrets of the earth are sacred because they're not discussed or shared. So, yeah, I'm private in my ritual. Now, does that mean I will never share a ritual? No, it doesn't. When the right moment arrives, like the Samhain thing, I will share. I have no problem with that. But am I going to just put out ritual after ritual? No, no, I'm not going to do that. Ugh, that I call myself a hedge witch, but I never discuss hedge writing again, personal, private. I have spirits I commune with on that level. I have ancestors that I meet with on that level, and they are not yours. I'm not being rude. I'm just simply saying I don't have to share anything on my in my content that I don't want to share. And that I don't want to share. It's personal, it's private, it's my journey, and I don't owe that. Now, discussing hedge writing, I could do that. But to be honest, I feel it's a bit irresponsible because I know as well as you do, the majority of the witches who are tuning in to see me are beginning witches. And I don't think that everybody who's beginning should just jump right into spirit work and hedge writing. Does that mean there's no discussion for that? No, no, it doesn't. But I will tell you, if you want to get the ins and outs, I'm trying to get it no light. There you go. Hedge writing. Who's it written by? Oops, wrong way. Oh, it's through Pagan Portals. It's written by right here. Harmonia Sale. Harmonia Sale. Great book, explains everything in detail, teaches you basically. I'm not a teacher, and honestly, I don't want that responsibility when it comes to hedge writing and going into the after world or whatever you want to call it. Um, Off and on YouTube. I am off and on YouTube, but I will tell you the honest truth is some of us look, when I first began creating, I was free 24/7. I didn't have a job. I didn't have to have a job. And I had plenty of time to create and constantly be on YouTube, constantly do lives, which is what they were um, very much uh, blasting me for, is never doing lives anymore. At any rate, now, and I will be totally transparent about why I'm off and on YouTube. And yes, I say I'm coming back, and no, I'm unable to. I have a lot of health issues. I'm being oversharing again. I have a lot of health issues. Um, and my buddy is disabled, and he has some health issues. I live in a place I absolutely deplore. I hate it here. And I'm stuck. I can't leave right now. There's a lot of reasons I'm not creating constantly at this moment. Do I plan on coming back? Yes, I do. The numbers. She said something about the numbers. I wrote that down too. Um, the numbers. Here it is. I don't care about my numbers. I don't care about my subscribe. I care very much about each and every one of you. I love you all. And I hope that I relay that. But I don't care about numbers. I don't care if I have 30,000 viewers. I don't care if I have two. I'm not here to make numbers. I'm not here to get monetized. I'm not here to make money. This is not going to be my income. I'm here to share who I am and to hopefully pass on some of the things that I've learned in the last 50 years. That's it. 59 years, if you want to be exact. That's it. That's all I'm here for. I'm not here for numbers. I'm not here for, in the beginning, I kind of thought you had to have numbers you had to be monetized to reach people. And I went about it the most stupid way you could possibly go about it because I came into YouTube at a time when you could do it a stupid way. I am regretful of that. Um, but no, I don't, numbers are not the issue for me. I don't care about numbers. I probably am never going to care about the numbers. I'm just here to be me and to share that, and hopefully it will connect with somebody else who needs to hear whatever it is I have to say at the moment. Um, yes, I am often on YouTube. Yes, I plan on coming back. When things settle down and I have a home where I can do that, um, that's going to happen on a consistent basis. It is. But I don't owe a ton of explanation as to why it's not happening at this moment, other than there are issues in life that happen and we have to just deal with them. So That's that. I am a non-intelligent witch. Well, maybe so. I didn't go to college for 40 years. Um, I did go to college. I do have a bachelor's degree. Um, do I come across unintelligent? Well, I don't mean to. Uh, I I'm trying to be practical on my channel. I'm trying to talk to the everyday person. Um, it's not a persona. It is who I am. So maybe I am unintelligent. I don't know. I don't sit back and judge my IQ. I don't care. I don't care. Do you care? If you care, I'm sorry. But you don't have to watch me. Nobody has to watch me. There is no requirement. Last but not least, I don't do any baneful magic. And I'm going to tell you the reason. Okay, I do baneful magic, but I don't do it on camera. And I'm going to tell you the reason. It's irresponsible for me to do a baneful spell for my YouTube when I am fairly certain the majority of my viewers are fairly new to the craft or the practicing of witchcraft, whatever you want to call it, and are going to use techniques without precaution or do things without knowledge and having studied. And so yes, I don't do baneful magic on my channel. Do I practice baneful magic when necessary? You bet. You bet. When it's necessary. But is that something I want to promote? No, not really. I really don't. I have no desire to. And I mean, I guess if that's what someone is looking for, they will just go look for it somewhere else. I don't know. At any rate, to this person who wrote that email, I never meant to offend you. I never meant to come across as a miss know it all. I never meant to uh, try to make anyone feel lesser than or like I knew it all and I was the number one witch and everybody needed to follow my line. Um, I never meant to overshare. I am a genuine person. I'm authentic and I just want to be who I am. And I would hope that my viewers enjoy that. And if they don't, I can't be anything other than me. I don't put on a fake smile. I'm not on YouTube all the time because I cannot put on that fake smile. I can't come up with content, out of the thin air that I have time to create for you. And so, yeah, I'm genuine and I'm authentic. I may not be intelligent. I may overshare too much. I may not share my rituals. But look, guys, at the end of the day, it's like I tell you guys, I am a divine, sacred being of light and love. I am. Does that mean I am and you're not? Hell no. It means we all are, babies. We all are. You are a divine, sacred creature of light and love. And I love each and every one of you. And I hope that that message gets across. But that is the best I can do. I'm just doing the best I can do. I'm just living life and, hanging on with both hands, nails dug in. And that's all we can do. And I love you all. I do. And if I ever made anyone feel that way, I'm sorry, but I would assume if I ever really made anyone feel that way, they would no longer be on my channel, subscribe to me and trying to watch whatever content I did decide to put out when I could. Rant over. I love you guys. I really do. And please feel free to reach out to me, but please don't intentionally try to hurt my feelings. I am I don't feel I come across as a shitty person and I just don't think I deserve to be treated shitty. So there's that. Overshare. Love y'all. Talk to you later.